So what's up guys, for this video I'm gonna celebrate. It's probably like 2 days we celebrate 30 subscribers, but finally we got 40 subscribers. Oh yeah. So I think hope you doesn't hear the sound. It's raining because we have a typhoon, I think. Yeah, in Philippines we have the typhoon, but all the Philippines living in the Philippines, hope you're doing good guys. So let's see. In the Christmas, I don't know if I do a giveaway, I think, cause yeah, I don't know if but I will show you my channel guys. Look guys, see guys, I have 40. It's really 45 subscriber, but someone doesn't like my video, I think. So thank you guys for if we get 50 subscriber, I will live, bro. I will really live. I promise that guys, I'm going to live. So I'm Akanamo. Peace out.